The sprint dynasty never died. It just evolved. After years of searching for successors to both, Blake and Powell, Jamaica has reloaded. A new generation is rising. 4 sprinters, 1 mission to bring the sprint crown back to Jamaica. Today we're diving into the rebirth of Jamaica's men's sprinting and the new wave that's ready to dominate the global 100 meters. In 2017, the greatest sprinter the world has ever seen, Usain Bolt, retired. And with him, when the dominance Jamaica held in the men's 100-meter sprinting for over a decade went with him. What followed was silence. The world stage saw new champions, but Jamaica was absent. The questions came fast. Was Bolt just a freak of nature?